Good morning, and today is the next day. Last night after I got back to the room, we were just so exhausted. Franklin and I just kind of relaxed. We were in for the night, and then we watched Elf, which was really nice, and then just went to bed and called it an early evening because it was just such a long day at the parks. But today we are leaving Universal and we are heading to Disney's Old Key West. We packed up the car and then we're gonna drive over to the short-term parking lot and grab some coffee. Going to Walt Disney World. Are we going to Walt Disney World? Yeah. Are you gonna see where Mickey Mouse lives? House? Yeah, our new house for the week. Oh.
He's like, I will air hug.
With the French press coffee, and Franklin got some milk to drink while we ordered our breakfast. And for Franklin, we got him the kids' breakfast meal with scrambled eggs, sausage, and fruit. Pepper on your eggs? Careful. Put it on just a little bit.
That's good.
There you go. And for my breakfast, I got Olivia's breakfast with eggs, sausage, potatoes, and a biscuit. And we just love the atmosphere at Olivia's. Highly recommend, even if you're not staying at Disney's Old Key West. And then we headed to the pool, but on our way to the pool, I stopped at the Gurgling Suitcase to get drinks. My mom ordered a margarita, and then I got the turtle crawl, which is white rum, coconut rum, spiced rum, grenadine, pineapple, orange, and key lime juices. We are just enjoying Old Key West. We're at the pool, the little play area, while we wait for our room. Our room still isn't ready. Franklin and my dad are over there playing in the sand. I'm going to the bathroom, and I think to grab another drink and maybe a snack. Our room is finally ready, so I am just heading to the room to check it out, take a few photos. We parked the car. We are in building 56. We haven't stayed over here before. I don't think we have a water view, but that's okay, so let's check it out. So here's our room. Oh, the TV is playing. We are staying in a 1-bedroom deluxe villa. So when you walk into the room, we have here a little closet, which is right by the front door. Then we're gonna come over here. Then there's the mirror with a little spot to put your keys or log phone, which is what I'm gonna do. And then over to the right is the bedroom. Oh, let me flick on the switch. Then to the right over here, we have a washer and dryer, which I definitely will be using. I will be doing that as soon as I'm done with this video. I desperately need to do a little wash. And then this room leads into the bathroom. So the bathroom at Old Key West is very spacious, and it's divided, which is nice. You have your vanity and sink over here, then the walk-in shower over here, along with the toilet. And then you turn around over here, you have this room, which is separate, which is one of the reasons I love Key West. Then you have another sink and vanity area, plenty of space to put your stuff. A huge mirror, look how huge that is, wow. And then over here we have the tub. Then a cute little picture of Mickey and Minnie. The only thing that I'm not a fan of is this open divider with the tub with a master bedroom, but that's okay. And then when you walk out here, oh, we have some more closet space with extra pillows and blankets up here. And then when you walk over here to the bedroom, it's to the right. So there is the hallway, and then when you walk this way, here is the 1 bedroom, which is really spacious. It's really nice. They have a little sitting area right here. And then again, that is what I was talking about with the open shutters to the bathtub, which I'm not the biggest fan of, but that's okay. And then this bed is really nice. And then over here, we have another little bench area with storage. Those pull out. And then a mirror, another TV over here, and then a dresser. Lots of storage, the windows, nightstand. And then from the bedroom, you can access the balcony, which unfortunately we do not have a water view. I think we've looked out most days here at Old Key West having a water view, but that is okay. Still a really nice view and patio space over here. And then, so there again is the front door. And then there's the bedroom. The bathroom is behind me. And then this way, you have the living area, which has a fold out chair. And then the couch also folds out. And then you have dining room table, then the full kitchen, the TV right here. And this room is so spacious. Old Key West, the rooms are really big, which is great for your family. You're able to spread out and you don't feel like you're on top of each other. We have the stove, the refrigerator, full size, everything. Then I love that Key West has this little bar area, which is a great place to store your items as well. We are getting settled into our room. My dad is finishing bringing in our luggage and the stroller and everything. And Franklin fell asleep in the car ride from the hospitality center to our building. And so he's waking up a little cranky. And we're gonna get ready to head to Disney Springs this evening. We are gonna take the boat over from Old Key West to Disney Springs, which is a really nice feature about Old Key West is that you can take the boat to Disney Springs, and we're gonna go check out the Christmas trees, the Christmas tree stroll, and then we're gonna get ice cream at Salt and Straw, and then I think we're also gonna have dinner over there, just walk around. We're gonna be really crowded tonight, but that's okay. We're gonna have a fun time, aren't we? We're gonna have fun? Are we gonna have a good time? Yeah, I think we are. Yeah, we're gonna get ready to go. I'm gonna take a shower, get Franklin a bath, and get freshened up. So we need to do a load of laundry, and then we'll be good to go. Franklin and I tried to go to Disney Springs, but it was just so busy, and we wanted to go to Deluxe Burger to get dinner, but the line was like way out the door, and I figured better to wait in line, having to bring the stroller and not being able to find a table, the chance of that, we just decided, let's just go. Then he ended up falling asleep in his stroller, which he's still sleeping right now. So I just decided to just take the boat back to Disney Springs. Luckily this time I did not have to break down the stroller, so he was able to sleep on the boat. I was really worried about that. And I thought about mobile ordering from Olivia's, but it's almost like 8 o'clock, and I think he's probably just gonna sleep the rest of the night, hopefully. So I think we're just gonna head back to our room. So I think that is our first day here at Walt Disney World. So that'll wrap up this adventure, but tomorrow we're heading in Hollywood Studios, so we need to get to bed. So you have an early morning. Until next time, bye.